We just made over 100% profit because Gap stock has been surging higher ever since we entered our bullish trade. Now, a lot of people are asking us, are we closing the trade to take profits or staying in for more gains? So in this video, we'll answer that by showing you how we updated our options trade based on the latest data to manage risk and protect gains, a smart risk management approach that can be applied to other trades as well. This risk-free strategy allows us to capture additional profits if the stock continues to move higher while taking no loss if it drops lower. But here's the thing, to set this strategy up successfully, it's important to position early, just like the wealthy investor we've been tracking, the one who led us to this winning trade. Back on this day, October 17th, we detected an unusual options trade on Gap stock placed by this wealthy investor. So we followed that trade, taking a long bullish position when the stock was trading at around $21 per share. And so far, we've been riding this big stock move all the way up here, gaining around 23%. But our profits were even higher than this because we bought call options instead of just buying stock shares. This was the video that we shared on our channel analyzing a $10 million options trade to help us determine whether smart money was buying Gap stock. And after analyzing the data, it was clearly flashing a buy signal, indicating the stock would most likely move up higher. So we bought call options based on our analysis. And as it turns out, that analysis was correct and highly profitable because Gap stock is now up higher at around $26 per share. So this trade has paid off big. If you want to learn how we predicted this stock would rally, we'll link this video at the top. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now, keep in mind, even if you're subscribed to our channel, you could still miss out on these profitable trades. That's because we don't always have time to make videos. We spend most of our time analyzing data for the exclusive trades we share inside our membership. That's why we use email alerts. They're the fastest way to share trades, even when there's no time to make a video. And so if you want access to more of these profitable trade opportunities, including email alerts, consider signing up for our free newsletter on our website. We'll link it up here. It's simple, quick, takes less than a minute, and best of all, it's completely free. No credit card, no paywall, just raw data-driven trade alerts based on unusual option activity, emailed straight to your inbox. And if you want full access to all of our trade alerts, including real-time updates, detailed analysis, and earlier entries, consider joining the membership. Members get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share them in our free newsletter or on our YouTube channel. So if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, this is your chance to get direct access to the trades of wealthy investors and potential insiders so you can see what the smart money is doing before the trade becomes highly profitable. Now, speaking of profits, how much did this options trade actually make? Because knowing the exact profit is what allowed us to use a smart risk management strategy and set up our next trade based on the latest data from unusual option activity. And so let's take a look back at our original trade on the risk profile graph, analyzing the same options that a wealthy investor was trading as well in these December 19th options at the 24 strike calls, priced at $125 per contract when we entered this trade. And remember, this shows option prices, so we either move the decimal 2 places to the right or multiply by 100 since each option contract controls 100 shares of stock. That means each option contract initially costs $125. And so on this graph, our profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here, and the y-axis represents the amount of profit or loss. Keep in mind, this graph already includes the cost of the trade. That's why you can see on the blue line that if the stock had dropped down, it would have been a negative $125 loss per contract, the entire cost of the trade. But instead, it went up higher to about here. So we have a profit of $155 per contract. And so to calculate the profit percentage, we take the profit of $155 and divide it by the initial cost of $125 and then multiply by 100 to express it as a percentage, and that gives us a return of 124% profit. In other words, we more than doubled our original investment on this trade. And so this is yet another real-time example of how we keep winning using data-driven analysis and trading strategies that track the trades of wealthy investors. Because understanding where smart money flows gives us deep insights into potential stock moves in the market. The rich often have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information, that help them make better, smarter financial decisions. This is how smart money always stays one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so, if you want to get access to more of these insights from the rich, then just head over to our website. We'll put a link up here, where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, with that being said, not all trades by wealthy investors are winners. Some end up as losses. Nobody wins on every trade. That's just the practical reality of trading. And so, to stay consistently profitable over the long run, we use strategies with a better risk-to-reward ratio to maximize profits and minimize losses. So, as a real-time example, let's go over how we used new data to adjust our trade here, turning it into a strategy that gives us more upside potential while managing risk to reduce possible losses. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, there was unusual option activity on December 5th at around 2 p.m. in these December 19th options at the 28 strike calls. The pattern of transactions suggests this was not just retail noise, but coordinated positioning from a major investor. What makes this even more interesting is the timing and consistency of these trades. They appear just minutes apart, which often signals algorithmic execution or a large trader spreading out orders to avoid detection. But our system still detected their trades, because it's not just these hundreds of contracts that you see here. There's more than meets the eye. That's why we always take a closer look at the data to strengthen our analysis, and that in turn increases our probability of profit. As you can see here on the option chain, for these December 19 options at the 28 strike calls, there was significant activity here, spiking the volume up to about 24,000 contracts traded. So we entered this new position here, marked as POS, with the green color indicating a buy position. Keep in mind, this new trade carries higher risk than the more selective trades we shared on our website, but we still took it only because we locked in profits from our original trade at the 24 strike calls by using an options rolling strategy to reduce exposure and manage risk. We still have some contracts opened, but we started trimming our position and rolling our options into this new position. And here's why. There's around 47,000 open contracts in the open interest. But if you've been following this unusual trade, or if you watched our last video on GameStop, you'll know that wealthy investor initially opened about 80,000 contracts. The drop to nearly half of the original open interest confirms that a significant number of those contracts have been closed, locking in profits, which is what we're doing as well. And you can see here, our contracts are now worth between a bid-ask price of $261 to $290, compared to just $125 when we first detected and bought them. That's why our original investment has already doubled, turning this into a very profitable trade. And so we started closing out most of our positions by selling the 24 strike calls, locking in profits to reduce risk, and then rolled into a new position, matching the activity we saw on the options time and sales tape. So we used the profits from our earlier trade to buy these 28 strike calls. In other words, we opened a new trade that cost less than the amount we sold our previous trade for at the 24 strike calls. That means we entered this new trade at a credit, not a debit, reducing our risk by using only the gains from our earlier trade. And so when we analyze our trade now, you can see here on the risk profile graph, the buy position cancels out the sell position because they are the same December 19th options at the 24 strike calls. So now we are only left with the December 19th options at the 28 strike calls. And so on the graph, we can see that if GAP stock drops from where it is now, or even crashes, our trade would not have any negative loss. It will always stay positive because we've locked in more profits than the cost of our new trade. This is how we manage risk, by minimizing losses, and in this case, we completely eliminated any possible loss while still staying in the trade to gain more profits if the stock moves higher. But keep in mind, this risk-free strategy was only possible because we followed that wealthy investor early, back on this day, before the stock moved 23% higher, giving us 124% profit. So if you missed our previous analysis, we'll link that video here so you can see how we first entered this trade, which is now basically risk-free, setting us up for more potential gains with no additional capital at risk. For more strategies backed by our deep analysis and trade alerts, visit our website. We'll link it here. Take care and have a wonderful day.